Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we're going to be talking about skincare, self-care, but this time around we're going to be adding a little bit of a story time mixed in. So we actually moved from South Louisiana to North Alabama about 3 years ago or so. And prior to the move, I was doing a lot of makeup work. So I was a freelance makeup artist for myself. I did freelance makeup for Lancome, and then I would do like runway shows and that type of thing. So generally speaking, I wore a lot of makeup, way more makeup than I actually wear now. Even for videos, y'all, I would wear a lot of makeup, and in turn, I would have to get a lot of professional facials every single year. So I would meet people and they would be in the industry. Some makeup artists become estheticians and vice versa. So you meet people and you want to like help them out. So I would get a lot of facials professionally every single year just for like clogged pores and anti-aging properties and for blemishes, that type of thing. So I could kind of keep on top of it. So when we moved here, I was completely out of the makeup business. So I wanted nothing more to do with it. I've talked about that here on my channel many times before, so I'm not going to go into it right now, but I still wanted to continue getting the facials because if you've ever had a really great facial, it is the most amazing experience. It's just a loving, really nurturing 30 minutes or 60 minutes that you can just melt away all of your problems and enjoy the tranquil music and enjoy the feelings and the oils and the energy. It just is amazing. So my dad, being the absolute sweetheart that he is, bless his heart, he went into a local salon and got both me and my mom gift certificates to have a facial and a massage. So we would go together. He thought it'd be a lot of fun. It's a bonding experience. We can go and be a little bit bougie. You know, we have our robes on, drink a little bit of champagne. It would be a lot of fun. So we were super excited. It was going to be super exciting. So my mom called. She actually got us appointments, and the way they had to schedule it was they had to book 2 estheticians at the same time. So it was going to take a little while. So it took about a week or so before we were able to get appointments. So we get there, I go into one room, she goes into the other room. And what I'm about to say, y'all, I realize is not an accurate representation of the state of Alabama. It's not an accurate representation of the region or even the salon itself. I've gone to many good places around here for hair, not for makeup, but for other things. And I've never, ever had an experience like this. So I'm just gonna say it. I'm just gonna say it and get it out of the way. My esthetician would not stop farting. I mean, I'm just laying there half naked, covered up of course, and every 2 minutes it was just heavy, hovering poop air that was just this dust cloud covering the area. And I didn't know what to do. It was an aerial assault. This was not what I signed up for. I didn't tell her anything. I just grinned and bared it. But that was the longest 60 minutes I have ever experienced in my life. And I still tipped her because I've worked in the industry. I know how important tips are. I've never been a farting makeup artist. You never know, she might have a condition or something. So when I got home, I was talking to my parents and I told my mom about it. Of course, you know, we got in the car and hers was amazing. She had like the best massage ever. And I told her that I had a farting facial. So when I got home, I was talking to my dad on the phone and he was asking me how it went. You know, he was so proud. And I told him that that was the best facial ever. But next time I would be choosing the salon. So you win some, you lose some. He watched my videos, so he's gonna know before long. But think of the jokes we've missed out on so far. So long story short, I have been binge watching facial and skincare videos, particularly from JD Wady 180. She has an amazing skincare series. It's like facial, ASMR, meditation, really good energy, and I love watching those videos. They are so relaxing, but it's really made me miss getting a good facial. So if I can't go to a place because of COVID and all that crap, then I figured that I would pamper myself and get some products and that we would talk about it. So all of these products I have purchased with my own money, with my own bank account. They're not PR, collaborated with, sent to me, sponsored, whatever. So it's not that type of video, but I figured that I would show you what I've picked out, what I'm thinking about it, and it would give me a good excuse to keep it. So the first product I want to share with y'all that I purchased because of her channel, but not really because I was already using a product similar to this, but this one is better, is this. This is the Vertex Women's Facial and Eyebrow Razors. I picked these up from Amazon. It's a pack of 5. And these suckers are no joke. If you like dermaplaning your face, I think it's called dermaplaning, dermabrasion, dermaplane, anyway, shaving your face. If you're into that as a form of exfoliation, this sucker is amazing. It's not like the Twinkie ones or the ones you get from TJ Maxx or Walmart. No, this thing is professional. So this is what they look like. This is the one that I've been using, and it is a straight razor. So this is what it looks like. If it's gonna focus, I don't know. So you take the little protective coating off, and this is it. And this sucker is sharp. Let me tell you, it gets in there really, really good, and my face feels amazing after I use it. So I take a really hot bath, wash my face with my stuff, and then get out, immediately start using this. And you have to be really, really careful because, as I mentioned before, it is a straight razor. So if you have like moles or skin tags or something like that, you probably want to steer clear from this because it will take it off. So this is the first item. I really, really like it. I highly recommend it if you are into this as an exfoliator, or if you're into like shaving your stashies. I actually have hypothyroidism pretty severely, and I'm just getting witch hairs galore. They're just having a good old time, having parties, get-togethers, drinking wine, making a mess. Nobody wears a mask. I mean, they're just living life. They're having a good old time. So I have to cut them bitches down all the time. So I use these, and yeah, I highly recommend these. Another product that I actually got, I think in a subscription box a couple of months ago, is the Hydropeptide Exfoliating Cleanser. I've been using this a lot. I don't think this is a full size. I think it's a sample size, but this is the Energizing Renewal Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser. It's got glycolic acid, it's got jojoba beads, it's got triple action peptides, blah, blah, blah. And this actually seems to be really gentle. So I use this after I've already cleansed my face. So I do like the 2 or 3 face cleanse method. And so I have no makeup on or whatever. And then I use this, and it really makes my face feel so, so soft, smooth, supple, juicy, like plump. I just feel really, really nice every time I use this. It's got sort of a micro bead, but it's a biodegradable micro bead, so they're not gonna harm the environment. And I do really like that because I don't want this going into the fishy lungs, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the second item. I really like it. And now on to the next one. So since we're on the subject of facial hair, at least we were a couple minutes ago, I wanted to show y'all the next thing that I picked up to combat the facial hair because it's become a problem. So I picked up an IPL device. This is what the box looks like. This is the IPL beauty device from Dees. And this sucker is nice. So I got this with my own money, with my own bank account from Amazon. I didn't have a discount code or anything, so it's not like for review or anything like that. This was my hard-earned money, and so far so good. I'm really enjoying it. It's minimally painful. I would say every once in a while if you're going over the same spot over and over again, but it's really, really not that bad. And this one has a really cool cooling device in it. So it gets like really icy all the way around it. I'll show you what it looks like. Hold on. So this is what the device looks like. I don't have it plugged in, so it's not gonna come on or anything, but it has this lens in the front, and it's actually got 3 different lenses. It's got a hair removal lens, it has an acne lens, and it also has a skin rejuvenation lens. One is for hair removal, of course. The other is for killing bacteria in the skin. So if you have a child or somebody with acne or even adult acne, that is a good solution for that. And then the other one is for skin rejuvenation, which if you have like hyperpigmentation, if you have broken skin capillaries in your face, if you have moles or anything like that, this really, really helps. And I have noticed a difference in that. I've been using it for the hair depreciation and for the skin rejuvenation. So it actually has 5 different strengths. Whenever you turn it on, you just hold the button and it comes on, and then you press the like plus minus sign. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's like the max. And then you hold it and then it does an auto pulse. So you don't have to constantly press the little button here, and you just push it on and it pulses, and you move it and you put it on and it pulses. And it's a really, really cool device. As I mentioned before, it's minimally painful. So I do plan on using this for my armpits and my legs, but for now, I want to use it for the chinny chin chin because it's gotten out of control. All right, y'all, so the next product that I want to share with y'all is, once again, another skincare device. And this is the NuWave High Frequency Facial Wand. I actually picked this up particularly because of JD Wadey 180's facial series videos. She uses these a lot in her, particularly people with acne, large pores, sagging skin, that type of thing. And I thought this would be really interesting to try. So this is a high frequency wand that uses purple argon. So this is what it has. They have all kinds of different types. They have some that use purple argon and neon. They have other ones that do other things. But this is for skin tightening, acne treatment, wrinkle reducing, and hair care and skin care, which I thought was amazing. I have seborrheic dermatitis in my scalp, and this has a really, really cool hair wand that I have been using, and I think it's working, y'all. I am really, really excited about it. So let me show y'all what the box looks like that it comes in. So that is wrapped around this, and then whenever you open it up, whoopsie, this is, whoa, I don't even know if you can see. This is what the device looks like. So it looks sort of menacing. It almost looks like something you would have in a goodie drawer. This is what it looks like. It has 4 different attachments that are for 4 different things. It plugs into the wall, of course. That's how you get your power. And it has these little glass attachments. So this is what the one that JD Wadey 180 uses. And you plug it in here. So this is made of glass, and whenever you turn it on, it creates a high frequency that's supposed to brighten and tighten and kill acne and germs and that type of thing. And it makes a sound. It almost reminds me of those electric balls that you used to see in Spencer's back in the day in the 80s and like 90s. That created like it had the ball in the center, and it created like the electrical waves. When you touch it, it like fans out at you. So what I do is I do my skincare like after I get out of the bathtub, and I do the microdermabrasion and all that stuff. I will put my oils on and my creams, and then I will put this on and just massage it into my skin. So underneath the eyes, on the jowls, around the nose, or on the forehead, that type of thing. And it really feels nice. It produces a smell, which is supposed to be really good for you. I guess it's the argon mixing with the oxygen or whatever. I have smelled it before. If you're walking on a road after a really, really hot day that's been raining or whatever, that kind of steamy smell, that's what it smells like. It's very peculiar. And I've been using it and I've been loving it. So this is the facial attachment. You can use this on your eyes. You can use it underneath your eyes, around your nose, as I mentioned before, even on your lips. And then it has an acne one. Let me show you what that one looks like. So this is the acne attachment. So you plug it in, and it's like a small little ball. And I use this on my husband, and he loves it. So I just kind of go around his nose, and it's really neat because if you get up close to it, you can really see the little electrical things coming out and like touching the pore. It is so, so cool. This is what the scalp attachment looks like. You plug it in, and then you just brush your hair. So whenever it's on, you turn it on with this little knobby here. And it also controls the strength that you want. So all the way like wide open is gonna be the strongest. And you just brush your hair. It's supposed to help with hair growth. It's supposed to help with any sort of scalp conditions that you have, psoriasis, any of those things. And it really has helped my seborrheic dermatitis. So yeah, it feels nice. It's like a massage. It was like $45, so really not that expensive, but I do highly recommend this one. All right, y'all, so the next several products I wanna talk to y'all about is skincare products. Some of these I've talked about before in the past, some of them are new, but I want to go through these pretty quickly because I don't wanna be too long-winded in this video. So the first piece that I wanna talk to you about is the Exuviance Advanced series. That is really hard to say. This is the Performance Peel AP. I talked about this in a best of products, best of 2020, something like that. Best products in 2020 video. If you haven't yet seen that, I will link it up here somewhere. But this is a exfoliating peel that really does help to exfoliate the skin. So you're supposed to use these over like a 12-week period. It's got the pad that has the acid, so it burns and tingles just a little bit. And then it has the neutralizer inside. Highly, highly recommend these. It does work, particularly on the nose. If you want a really shiny, very clean looking nose, this is going to help you immensely. I love it so, so much. So the next skincare product I want to talk about, I have mentioned on my channel before many, many times, and this is from the Inkey List. This is their Polyglumatic Acid Serum, and this is fantastic. I use this almost every single day, and I combine it with other products that I think really help to enhance the product to work, if that makes sense. How many times I'm gonna say product? This really works though. I really, really enjoy it. And it's only like $14. I picked this up from Sephora, I wanna say about a year ago. So I combined 1 pump of this with 1 little squeeze of this. So this is the JJ Labs Skin Solution Gamma Polyglumatic Acid Anti-Aging Serum. Try saying that 10 times fast. So this has some amazing skincare ingredients in here that is supposed to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, lighten dark spots. It helps to keep collagen and elastic in your skin very healthy, and it's supposed to be an excellent antioxidant. It's amazing. I've been using it for a while and I love it. So when you combine this with this, so a pump of this, a squeeze of this, and then the Watts Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum, I take it all in my hand all at the same time and I rub it together, because if you layer them, I find that they peel. So I put them all in my hand, rub it together, and then I just rub it all into my skin, my neck, my ears, my hands, my boobs, everything. I want to rub it everywhere. And especially if you have dry skin. I have enormously dry skin, probably due to my Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism, but I just love it. I swear by it. It's a holy grail product. Each and every one of those combined together is amazing. Yeah, that was the most long-winded video that I think I've ever done. I hope y'all are still around. If you are, high five to you. I really appreciate y'all. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this skincare video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. As always, thank y'all so, so much for being here. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon.